Alright, I just wanted to give another, just a short little video. So I glued the bodies together, the maple and the mahogany, and I thought I had it clamped good, but my mahogany on this side is hanging over a little bit. And over this side, the maple's hanging over a little bit. Not too much, like maybe 1/16 of an inch or so. Could have been the way it cut too, because inside the area for the pickups, it's pretty close. So just wanted to shoot a quick video. Just gonna sand it down a little bit, and then start working on cleaning up some of this glue that's squeezed out, and then start tinkering around with the electronics. And I still have to work on this neck area. So the neck is supposed to be in here, it's supposed to sit on like a slight angle, at least from what I was reading on the specs. But this is carved flat, and the neck appears to be flat, but before I go attaching the neck in here permanently, I want to make sure that I get it at the right angle. If not, it's just going to be a pretty looking guitar that doesn't play. So and I'm already in this project for probably about, including wood and the parts and stuff, probably around 200. And that's getting things, that's getting the wood at like cost. So let me sand some of this down. Alright, I got it all sanded. It's flush all the way around now. I could have ran a router bit around it, flush mount bit, but I didn't have one, so I actually ordered it. So I'm still gonna run it around it, but I wanted to, I like to do things by hand. So, like right now, I'm just, you can see it, chipping out the glue, squeeze out Not a lot of it, but I thought I wiped most of it when it was first happening. But well, that's it for today's video. Sorry if I bored you, but I just want you to see that I'm actually doing the work. So, thanks for watching.